Students, this is Bharti madam. Now I am going to tell you about the profit and loss appropriation account, and the problems from this will come for 6 marks. Now we'll look into the meaning of the word profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account is just similar to that of the profit and loss account which you are learnt in the PUC first year. It is an extension of the profit and loss account. It shows the profits, how they are appropriated or distributed among the partners. All the adjustments in respect of the partner's salary, commission, interest on capital, interest on drawings are made through this account. It starts with the net profit on the credit side or net loss on the debit side as per the profit and loss account. Afterwards, all the adjustments are taken, and later on, whatever is the balance, if it is a profit, it is transferred to the partner's capital account if it is fluctuating, or to the partner's current account if it is fixed. And even the loss is distributed in the same way. Now come to the format of the profit and loss appropriation account. Right at the top, profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended. Write DR, CR, get the page folded, particulars amount. Come to the debit side, to balance brought down, that is a net loss as per the profit and loss account. To interest on capital, below that write the names of the partners, write the amount of interest on capital, add it right in the outer column. To partner's salary, to partner's commission, to interest on loan as per the agreement. Come to the credit side by net profit brought down as per the profit and loss account. By interest on drawings, whatever are the partners, write it in the inner column, add them right in the outer column. Next, whatever is the difference, if it appears to the debit side, it is a profit. If it appears to the credit side, it is a loss. Whether it is a profit or the loss should be transferred to the capital account if the capitals are fluctuating. If it is a fixed capital method, it should be transferred to the current account. Now we'll come to the problem. Now take down the problem. First one, X and Y are the partners in a firm as on 1/4/2016, sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2 with the capitals of rupees 1 lakh and 80,000 respectively. They earned a profit of rupees 25,000 for the year before the above adjustments. First one, interest on capital 10% per annum. Interest on drawings X 1000, Y 800. Commission payable to X 2000. Salary payable to Y 3000. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31/3/2017. Now come to the solution. Right at the top, profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31/3/2017. Get the page folded. Debit side write DR, credit side write CR. Write particulars amount. Wherever you write amount, students write it as rupees. Okay, come to the problem now. They have given you the net profit, and come to the credit side, write by balance brought down, that is the net profit brought down 25,000. Now they have told you interest on capital. Come to the debit side, write to interest on capital. Below that you write X. The capital of X is 1 lakh into 10%, that will come to 10,000. Next write y. The capital of y is 80,000. 10% of 80,000 will come to 8,000. In the problem they have given the interest on drawings. X is 1000, y is 800. Next, they have given you the X commission, right? Commission to X or X's account commission, 2000. Next, Y salary, they have given you 3000. That's all. Leave two lines to both the sides and close it. First you close the credit side. Total the credit side 26,800. Write the same to the debit side. Go on minusing one by one. Minus 10,000, minus 8,000, minus 2,000, minus 3,000. You will get the difference, and that difference whatever you get, write it as to partners capital account and share it. The ratio is 3:2. Into 3 by 5 you get is 2,280. Into 2 by 5 you get is 1,520. That's all. Come to the next problem. Arun and Varun are the partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. Their opening capitals being 80,000 and 50,000 respectively. They earned a profit of rupees 20,000 before allowing the following adjustments. First one, interest on capital 8% per annum. Second, interest on drawings, Arun 2000, Varun 2500. Third, salary to Arun 3000 per annum. Fourth, commission to Varun 2000 per annum. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Now come to the solution. Right at the top, profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended. Get the page folded, write DR CR. Now come to the problem. They have given you the net profit. Come to the credit side, write by net profit brought down, and that is 20,000. Next, they have given you the interest on capital. Come to the debit side, write to interest on capital. Below that you write Arun and his capital is 80,000 into 10%. Into 8%, you get is 6,400. Come to Varun now. His capital is 50,000 into 8%, that will come to 4,000. Arun's salary they have given it is per annum 3,000. Next, they have given you Varun's commission 2,000. Next, interest on drawings is given to you. Come to the credit side. Write by interest on drawings, underline it. Below that you write Arun 2000, Varun 2500. Leave two lines to both the sides and close it. Total the credit side you get is 24,500. Write the same to the debit side. Go on minusing one by one. Minus 6,400, minus 4,000, minus 3,000, minus 2,000. Whatever difference you get, write it as partners capital account. Below that you write Arun, whatever is the profit into 2 by 3. You get is 6,067. Write Varun into 1 by 3. That is 3,033. And that is the problem for 6 marks. Come to the next problem. Next problem, you try to do it at home by yourself, okay? Shiva and Basava commenced a business on 1/4/2015. Their capitals being 1 lakh and rupees 80,000 respectively. They agreed to share the profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. For the year ending 31/3/2016, they earned a profit of 36,000 before allowing the following. First one, interest on capital 5% per annum. Second, interest on drawings, Shiva 600, Basava 1000. Third, yearly salary of Shiva 10,000 and commission to Basava 4,000. Their drawings, Shiva 16,000, Basava 20,000. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Now come to the solution. I will let you know the solution, but still then try to do it without looking to the answer. Right at the top, profit and loss appropriation account for the year ending 31/3/2016. Get the page folded, write debit, write credit, particulars amount, Come to the credit side. They have given you the profit. Write it as by profit and loss account brought down 36,000. Come to the debit side. Write to interest on capital. Underline it. Below that you write Shiva. And they have told you it is the capital is 1 lakh. 5% will be 5,000. Basava, the capital is 80,000. 5% will be 4,000. Next, they have given you regarding the Shiva's salary 10,000. Basava's commission 4,000. Regarding the interest on drawings, they have given you Shiva 600, Basava 1000. Now leave one line to both the sides and close it. Total the credit side, that is 37,600. Write the same to the debit side. Go on minusing one by one. That is 5,000 minus 4,000 minus 10,000 minus 4,000. The difference whatever you get, that is the profit. Write it as to profit transferred to capital account. That profit into 3/5, whatever you get, that is 8,760. Write it for Shiva. Next, the profit into 2/5, whatever you get, write it to Basava, that is 5,840. And that's all about the problems. Okay.